Fellow Ugandans and friends of Uganda all over the world, by the time you see this video, I will have left the country for some critical engagements outside Uganda. And at the right time, I will come back and continue with the cause. I thank all of you fellow Ugandans who have concealed and protected me for all this time when the regime was looking for me. Those of you who fed me, those who clothed me, and those who offered me shelter. I will not mention your names, but God bless you. I thank the men and women in uniform who defied the illegal orders and instead of arresting me, gave me the information that I needed to keep safe. I thank the priests who prepared mass for me and supported my spiritual life when I needed it most. I thank my family for staying strong in these tough times. I want to thank in a very special way the people of Uganda for your prayers, for your support, and your encouragement. You have once again demonstrated that once you believe in something, especially an idea of liberation, you will contribute the little that you have, including risking your lives and your families to protect those that are fighting for that idea. You did this before in the 1980s, and you have done it again in 2026. And I'm sure you will continue doing it whenever it's necessary. Just different times, different generations, but same mission, a mission to freedom. It's laughable that for almost 2 months, the entire security apparatus of Uganda has invested billions of taxpayers' money to search for me everywhere, but they failed to get me. Why? Because the people have protected me. They have staged roadblocks everywhere, searching vehicles and even forcing motorcycle riders and their passengers to remove helmets, causing traffic jam and inconveniencing citizens, all on the orders of Museveni's son. They have raided homes of my comrades, searching for me. Just 2 days ago, they raided the home of my personal assistant, Comrade Don Sheriff Naja, and when they didn't find me or him, they abducted his wife, and she's still missing up to the present. Good enough, all this was caught on camera. You have seen what happened to the 9 police officers that were assigned to me by the Electoral Commission during the campaigns. They were arrested, they were detained, and now they've been dismissed from the police force with disgrace, apparently because they did not aid the regime in spying on me and preventing me from leaving my house on the 16th of January, even when their assignment was over and they were officially withdrawn on the 15th of January. Now, I want to say this again to you, fellow citizens. We won the 2026 presidential elections. We won it, and Museveni rigged it. And that is why, out of shame and lack of legitimacy, him and his son are searching for me everywhere. They raided my home on the 16th of January, but I was able to escape from them. A few days later, they conducted another raid. And in this raid, they assaulted my wife and family members. They vandalized our house. They stole various items and occupied our home. And up to now, our home is still surrounded by the military. Now, this is why I'm hiding, and that's why I'm leaving the country for a while. We decided to fight back, not only within the country, but also internationally. And among the things that we hope to pursue are targeted sanctions against Museveni and his enablers. We also want those countries that are funding Museveni's killing machine to stop, and if possible, to completely cut ties with the regime in Uganda. In the recent days, we've been speaking on international platforms, although we've been doing it virtually. Now, we are going to be doing it physically. And on that note, I want to notify the comrades and leadership in the diaspora that I will be with you in the coming days. Let us prepare to lobby, to mobilize, to organize and push back against the violations in Uganda. In my absence, my Deputy President, Dr. Lina Zedriga, who has just been released from prison, will be acting president. After doing my work on the international platform, I will return back to my country and let the regime do whatever they want to me in full view of the world. After all, I've not committed any crime. Running for president is not a crime. For now, I ask you, comrades, to remain firm, to remain united, and to keep the hope alive. People power, our power. Our power, people power. For God and my country.
Bwatyo President Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu aka Bobi Wine olunaku olwaleero alangiridde nti wakufuluma eggwanga asooke agende abeereko ku mirimu emitongole naye nga kugimu ku mirimu era egyo emitongole egimututte ebweru gy'egy'okusigala ng'alwanirira ensi ye okulaba butya bw'avuunika gavumenti y'omukulu Yoweri Kaguta Museveni n'abantu be. His Excellency Bobi Wine Mukatambi alaga ebimu ku bivve ebizze bikolebwa okuviira ddala nga twakava mu kulonda ennaku z'omwezi nga 15 olunaku lw'enkeera nga 16 lwe yadduka amakaage bannamagye lwe baasalako amakaage ne bageeddiza kale okuva ku olwo n'okutuusa leero amakaage tegali safe kale Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu omukulembeze wa National Unity Platform era nga akakasa nti akalulu yakawangula wabula ku gun point oba ku mudumu gw'emmundu Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ne yeerangirira nga omukulembeze omulonde. Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Bobi Wine mu katambi kano atulaze nti bingi ebimukoleddwako nga bagezaako okumunoonya wano ne wali naye nga buteerere. Era yeebaza bannayuganda abamubeereddewo okubeera nga asobola okubeera nga asomoka emisanvu gy'abakulu. Kale mu kintu kino alaze bangi abazze bakosebwa mu nteekateeka ya gavumenti ey'okumunoonya ba comrades bangi ab'enkyukakyuka amaka gaabwe gazindibwako bangi baawambibwa nga n'asembeeyo yabadde Nasif Don juzi amakaage gaawambibwa ku mudumo gw'emmundu mukyala we no sister w'omukyala ne bawambibwa n'okutuusa leero tebamanyi wa we bali. Kale agambye nti we kiba kyetaagisa kubanga alwanyisa Museveni nga asinzirira eri eva obuyambi kakikole. Kale bwatyo bwalangiridde naye nga Mama Deputy gwalekedde obukulembeze bw'ekibiina kya National Unity Platform naye era ayongedde okugumya abantu nti mubeere bagumu okutuusa enteekateeka eno ng'ekoze eki nga ewedde. Gavumenti yo enfunda eziwera tubalabye ku mitimbagano ku mikutu nga bagamba tebanoonya Bobi Wine. Ye okuva ku lunaku olusooka n'ebikolwa ebizze bikolebwa nga biraga lwatu nti anoonyezebwa ali ku wanted era nti waliwo n'embeera endala nti ezibadde nga ziri meant okubeera nga zimutuukako. Olunaku lw'eggulo Daily Monitor yafulumizza eggulire omwana waliwo omwana muwala ali ku intern ey'amateeka nti yafulumizza oba yasomodde ebimu ku misango egivunaanibwa president nga giri 146 yafulumizza akatambi kano nga talina lukusa era omwana oyo kati musibe. Omwana musibe olw'okukola ekintu ekyo. Emisango giri 146 era nga n'olunaku lw'eggulo twalabyeko nga waliwo ekiwandiiko kya kkooti nga kiraga nti Bobi Wine alina emisango kumpi buli mu disitulikiti gye yatuuka. Kale ebintu weebityo biyinza okutuzzaayo ku kiri ku katambi ke twalaba aka Electoral Commission nga kalaga obululu nga we bwafuluma Bobi 71, Museveni 77 ne bano abalala abaddirira kubanga nabalagako nti akatambi kano keekebejjebwa mu mikutu egy'enjawulo egikebeera ebintu oba biri fake oba bya AI naye nga giraga nti 100% olutambi original. Ekitegeeza yalukwata yali mu Electoral Commission eyaluta. Then noono omwana nga we yakikoze kikuzzaayo ku kiri. Kale bantu bange yembeera eri mu nsi twongere okusabira ensi yattu kubanga tetumanyi wa kino gye kitutwala wa gye tugenda okoma, naye asuubiza abali mu diaspora nti kati tugenda kulwanira wamu, mwena ngenda kubatuukako tubeere nga tulwanyisa embeera eno. Kale mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala okungoberera. Nze Muzungu David Kadongo Kamu Music Analyst.